Hi guys, Sabelo speaking right here. So this video is mostly based on people who bought the indicator from me. So I'll be just giving you a little bit of lessons on how to use the system. Okay. So let's say, okay, today, let's check today. Today I was trading these currency pairs. Okay, maybe let's go to, because this picture here is very small, so I'm going to use this one right here. So today I was looking for a buy on currencies like NZD. NZD was bullish with +5, AUD bullish, and GBP bullish. And the only currency that was bearish, extremely bearish, was the US dollar. So I was trading US dollar versus all these three currencies. Okay. So I was looking for NZD USD buy, AUD USD buy, and GBP USD buy. All right. So once you get these numbers here correctly, once you see that, okay, there are currencies that are selling against the currencies that are buying, then you come to your charts. Okay. You come to your charts where you analyze the market, where you analyze from the higher time frame to the medium and to the lower. Okay. So maybe let's go and look at and maybe let's start on the daily time frame. Okay. So this is the daily time frame. As you can see, maybe let's remove everything here so that I can start everything from scratch. Okay. So this is the daily. This is the lowest point of the daily time frame. So we are only marking support and resistance, trend lines, and break and retest. So we are using a very simple price action approach. The reason why I'm using a very simple approach is because I don't need a very complicated one, because these numbers are just giving me a direction. I'm 100% sure about where the market is going to go. So now I only need to get the entry point and the exit points. Okay. So this is the lowest point. Okay. And this is the highest point of the daily time frame. And now I'll also look left. So if I look left, there was an extreme support zone here. So I am going to mark it as well. And keep in mind that this extreme support zone is also in line with this resistance zone here. And the only thing that is very exciting about this setup is that the market was able to break above here. It's breaking, so there's a possibility of making higher highs, okay? So moving on to H4. So on the H4 time frame, okay, let's go back to the daily, because I do see another support zone, which is this. Okay. So this was my take profit for the day. I even marked this high peak there. Okay. So let's go now to the H1. Okay. So H1, you can clearly see that the market is bullish, guys. H1 is buying. The market broken all of these highs, broken these two highs there, broken, came to retest twice, and then started making higher highs. Okay. So now on the 15-minute time frame, that's when I'll go in and try to look for breaks and retest. Remember, we're using support and resistance, trend lines, and break and retest. Okay. So there were some downtrends here. The market made a push to the downside here. And then from there, the market started making an uptrend, break and retest. Market broken here, came to retest, and then we took a continuation. All right. So my take profit is going to be at this line here. Okay, let's just remove this one here. So my take profit is going to be at this resistance here, which is a pin bar on the daily time frame, daily H4. And the market today, I was able to catch a buy somewhere here early today, and then the market pushed to the upside, but it didn't touch the line. So I still believe that the market is going to go and touch this line today. Okay. So it broken above again, broken this previous high, broken, came to retest, and then it bought again. So 15-minute time frame, that's when I mostly use for entries. So I've taken a buy somewhere here after the bullish engulfing. Stop loss was below. But on this one, I closed, I think I've taken partial profits at 2.5 R. 2.5 R. So, and then today I also got another buy. I think I got a buy here. Stop loss below. Then the market started rejecting, and then now it's moving to the upside. So on this one, the risk ratio is not good because we are too close to our take profit. We are too close to here. But obviously now as we speak, I've moved my stop loss to break even just to protect my capital. Okay. So now let's look at NZD USD. Remember here, you also have NZD. NZD versus USD. Okay. NZD versus USD. So I'm going to start this thing on the daily. Okay. So this is similar to AUD USD in terms of the market structure. Okay. It's similar. We're going to mark the lowest point. Going to mark the highest point. And then we're going to mark the mid zone. Okay. So the market was struggling to break above. This resistance here was very strong. Market bounced here for the first time, second time, third time, fourth, fifth, and then on the sixth one, it broken above. So now we are in an uptrend officially. Okay. So the next take profit zone is going to be at this SNR here, support and resistance zone here. As you can see, there were some rejection, push above, came to break, and then made another strong resistance here. So this is going to be my take profit on the smaller time frame, because this strategy here is mainly based on day trading. We can even scalp using the strategy, but it's not made for long-term trading. Okay, we are just trading within a day or sometimes within a session. For example, let's say we spot a setup in the London session, then we can trade it until we reach New York session. New York session, I mostly close all of my profits because New York session normally reverses. Okay, it normally reverses, and there is a lot of news that normally comes in the New York session. So that is another reason why I mostly take my profit when the market is approaching the New York session. Okay, there's a lot of volatility coming from the market, a lot of news, and a lot of reversals. And keep in mind that this strategy here is a trend following strategy. We are following the trend. So if the trend is already up and the news are coming, there's a high possibility that the market is going to just drop. So keep in mind that the strategy is a day trading strategy. We trade within trading sessions. Okay. So we are bullish, as you can see on the on the H4, we've broken this strong zone. So I'm going to mark it using this. We've broken above. That means we are strongly pushing to the upside. Okay. And then this was another extreme zone, this one here. I was expecting to see the market breaking above it and then come to retest and make a continuation. So as long as the market is still above, I'm so confident that the market is going to continue going up. So it went above, came to retest, and then broken above. So let's see my entry pattern. Okay. So there was a fib retracement zone here. I think at a 50%. Okay. Maybe if you don't know how to use the Fibonacci, we are using it within a trend. So let's say the market is trending to the upside. We believe that the market, once it starts retracing, is going to reverse at 50% fib retracement or 61.8. So we are going to mark the recent low. We're going to mark it, and then we're going to drag it above till this zone, and then we're going to drag it across. So we believe that the market is going to reverse somewhere around the 61.8 and the 50% fib retracement. Okay. So here I was expecting the same thing. Here's the recent low. Here's the recent high. You mark your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high if the market is bullish. But if the market is bearish, we do the opposite. We start from swing high to swing low. So here, the market respected the 50% fib retracement. Okay. Here, it respected the 50% and it made a strong engulfing candlestick. Okay. It made a strong bullish candlestick. That's when I started entering my trades. Stop loss below this recent low. Now the market is even breaking above, as you can see. So guys, now if maybe you are in this trade, let me just share with you another method of taking profit. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you another method of taking profit. Okay, we all know that, okay, this is the take profit zone because we have a strong SNR here. Okay, we have a strong support and resistance there. But if we just look at the time now, the market is about to close. New York session is about to close, and then Asian session is going to take over. So in the Asian session, there is a possibility that the market is going to reverse. Okay, there is a possibility that the market is going to reverse in the Asian session because the market moves in waves like this. Okay, so the best way now is to take profit somewhere around here. Okay, not here, because once it reaches somewhere here, there's a possibility of a reversal. Okay, so this is another method of taking profit. Once the market it breaks, let's remove this. Okay, as we are in the uptrend, once the market it breaks the previous high, which is the recent high, once it breaks it, boom, you must know that most of traders who are trading with big funds, they are going to close profit above. Okay, they are going to take profit. Once they take profit, the market starts to drop. Okay, so once it breaks here, it takes out the buy side liquidity. Market will start dropping. Okay, and then big boys are going to come back again here and then start buying. Okay, and then once they break here again, they break this previous high, the market is going to drop. And then break above, takes out the buy side liquidity, and then it drops again. So don't wait for the market to go all the way up to here to hit your take profit. More especially if you are a day trader. Okay. If you are in and out within a day or in and out within a trading session. So don't wait for something like this. Okay. So here is enough for you to take profit. Let's see how much is this. 1:3. That's fine. That is enough. In fact, it's a lot. Okay. So guys, okay, let's end with this one. GBP USD. GBP USD, I ended up not taking it because it was retracement. It was retracing too much. There was a lot of retracement here during the New York session. So I was expecting a reversal here, but the market kept on going down. So this one I ended up not taking a buy. But if you bought it, you can still hold it even during the Asian session because here the stop loss is going to be much bigger. Okay. And we might take profit somewhere here tomorrow, somewhere here. And then the market can drop, make a pullback, and then continuation maybe in the following session. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.